Hey, let's get out the Hot Logic Mini today. We haven't made a snack in this for a while, so I thought today would be a good day to make some pizza roll-ups. A nice little snack, that little finger food that you can eat while it's nice and warm using the Hot Logic Mini. Here we have a 6-cup Pyrex dish, which is what we're going to make our snack in. And in the bottom of the Hot Logic is a warming tray, which heats to about the temperature of a slow cooker on low. So we have a cord in here that we're going to plug into the wall and get it heated up. And we're going to make the snack here using a couple of key ingredients. Very simple, and you can let it sit and warm up if you're having a party or you just want to get a snack ready for TV time or something like that. It does the work for you. So let me show you how to put it together. Here on the countertop I have gathered a little assembly of pizza-like ingredients. I have some pepperoni, I have some nice mozzarella. I'm going to use some regular pasta sauce. You can use pizza sauce if you like. And I'm using some wraps, and this is a rosemary and olive oil, but you can use whatever kind of wraps you would like. And then for seasoning, I'm going to use some oregano and some granulated garlic powder. Alright, let's get this started by laying out some of the wraps. I'm going to use a little. I'll take the Pyrex dish and set it in the Hot Logic. I think this is a well-used Hot Logic. It is. We have several colors, but this is one that we use quite a bit. We use them all, sometimes all at once. This little cover on the counter. And you know, wraps come in so many flavors, so you can be creative. What's nice is they're so flexible. So we're just going to lay out a couple wraps so you can do 2 at once. First thing I'd like to do is add a little bit of cheese, because this helps everything hold together when you roll it up. Then I'm going to add some pizza sauce or tomato sauce of some kind. Now, I wouldn't overdo it here, because when you roll it, it's going to carry through to the next layer. So we're just getting a little bit all the way across. Mix in with the cheese. You don't have to go real close to the edges. You'll see why in a minute. Right, then add your toppings. If you like some pepperoni, put a couple rows in through this wrap, something like this. Really just showing you this for your idea. You can be creative and add things like peppers and olives, and you can even add some ricotta cheese. I like that idea. The next thing you want to do is add some more cheese. Again, it doesn't have to cover the whole thing, because it will spread out a little bit here as we roll it. Alright, put some seasonings. Garlic powder. You can use fresh garlic chopped up. Boy, I have a feeling we're going to be making more of these with different toppings. And here's some oregano. Give that some good shakes. It smells like a pizza. Alright, let's take the wrap and start to roll. Roll it nice and tight. When you get to the end, just kind of smush it shut a little bit. We're going to grab a cutting board here. Now this is about 2 inches deep, so you want to make sure you make cuts that are about that size. Even them out. You don't have to be too fussy. When you get it all cut up nicely, like a log, then start placing it into your Hot Logic. So I'm going to take a nice, take a good look at that. That's what it looks like inside. And we're going to start stacking them in here, side by side. You can make them all fit together nicely. Alright, now let's start to roll the second one. So quick. And slice those up too. Start stacking them in. Alright, that's 2 and it fills up about half. Let's make 2 more and we'll fill the rest up. I think it's a good idea to make them nice and tight in here because the cheese will melt a little as they heat up and then they'll all stick together nicely. Alright, here we go. Little cheese to begin with. A little sauce. You know how to do it now. Alright, I think we can get another one in there. I think so. So quick. Alright, let's get the nice fat pieces in there first. And there's room to tuck our little ones in at the end, the edges. Alright, let me do a quick thing up here. Add a little more sauce. Over the ends. I'm just going to sprinkle the rest of that cheese. You can also add cheese when you're ready to take it out. You can also add some cheese to let it just sit and melt over the top while your party guests or your snackers are coming and getting ready to eat this. And I'm also going to top it one more round with garlic powder and oregano. Alright, let's top it off with the lid. Alright, and let's get it warmed up. Plug it in. We'll be back to check on it in a couple hours and it'll be ready to eat. Okay, go ahead and do the rest of the stuff you wanted to do today. This will be working for you in the meantime. I'll be back to show you the results. Okay, it's time to try these very special little treats. Let's open the Hot Logic and see what we have. First I'm going to get it out because it might be a little bit cheesy. There we go. Alright, let's open it up. Ooh. Ooh, look how nice. Look how nice that is. Nice and cheesy. Let's get some out on a plate and try them out. It's here just in time. I'm going to pick one up to get it started. You can reach in and pick out the next one much more easily than the first. It's like a piece of pie. Oh, doesn't that look good? Mmm. Alright. Alright, as you pick them out, as your party guests or your snackers pick them out, just grab the whole roll, and as they cool off, you can pick them up and bite them, just like a little rosebud here. Okay, as you take them out, put a few on a plate for yourself or your guests, or let them pick them out as they're ready to eat them. Isn't that a nice little pizza snack? Easy to make in the Hot Logic. Hope you get to try this recipe, and I'll put a link for the Hot Logic in my description in case you're interested in trying this yourself. These are starting to cool off, so I'm going to have a bite myself. That's a nice little snack. Go ahead, try making it. Thanks for watching.